Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: files saved and closed, Power BI desktop running, and clear table names. First, click Get Data and pick Excel or CSV, then select the workbook and the specific sheets you need. Once done, choose Transform Data if you want a clean or load directly to import. Make sure to name queries clearly in the navigator. This prevents confusion later. These first steps get your raw tables into Power BI and set up for linking. Now you move into modeling. Switch to Model View and inspect each table's columns to find common keys, ID, dates, or codes. Drag a key field from one table onto the matching field in another to create a relationship. Power BI suggests cardinality. Make sure to set cardinality correctly, one to many or many to one, and choose the appropriate cross-filter direction. Once relationships exist, verify them with a sample visual to confirm filters flow as expected. This ensures accurate aggregations across sheets. Finish by building simple visuals, tables, or charts that combine fields from linked tables to validate the joins. If results look off, open Manage Relationships to inspect or edit links. You can disable and recreate relationships quickly. Make sure matching columns share the same data type and consistent formatting, and remove unexpected duplicates in key columns. As a troubleshooting tip, if filters don't propagate, check cross-filter direction and cardinality first. Those settings fix most linking issues and restore correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.